Hi to everyone. So let's back to the same topic of yesterday's concern. Yesterday we were trying to understand the concept of budget line and budget set. Today we'll discuss about the properties of budget line. So there are the four properties of budget line are there. So before leading to the properties, you need to understand. So once a budget line and budget set. So budget line is all about all combination or different possible combination of two goods. We have taken two goods here called apple and banana on different combination. Whatever a consumer is ready to get, a couple of goods, a different combination is called budget line. Then that is the budget line where we have already tried to digest in the last topic. Then that is called a graphical representation of all possible combination of how many goods? Two goods which can be purchased within the given level of income. And here we have taken income as y, which is an equivalent to the income of a consumer rupees 20. So within rupees 20, when consumer is trying to get a goods, then he'll see the n number of bundles, and those bundles we have highlighted here as from point E to J. E, F, G, H, I and J. So these are the different bundles, different combination of bundles. It means when consumer is ready to get more of one good, he has to sacrifice less of another. At the same time, more of another, the farmer has to sacrifice, because consumer's income is limited. Within that limited income, consumer will plan, mind image will come, he'll make n number of different possible combination. Within that possible combination, he has to get a different goods. So in such case, so here the budget line is a graphical representation of all possible combination of these two goods, within which the number of bundles what he or she can get within the given level of income, then that is called budget set, which is also highlighted as opportunity set. Now coming to the explanation of this table. When consumer has taken the 5 quantity of X good, here the X good stands apple. When he has taken 5 good, it means 4 rupees each one of it. When he has taken entire 5 quantity of good, then he has spent entire money. He don't have any of a choice to get any kind of a good on y-axis. It means the banana. Then the point is very simple. When we spent entire 20 rupees on here, he have only a zero amount to get the another commodity. But if he is not satisfied with the zero amount, he can get, but he has to sacrifice some units of X. In such case, he will go by another combination, that is called F, where he has decreased the quantity from 5 units to 4 units. Then 4 into 4, that leads to 16 rupee has spent. Then at the same time, he has a 4 rupee. Out of 4 rupee, he can get the 2 units of a banana. Likewise, when he sacrifices some units of X good, then he has gained some units of y good. Likewise, when he has taken 5 units of apple here, then he has a zero amount to get a banana. When he has decreased from 5 to 4, then he has taken 2 units of banana. Likewise, when the things have been sacrificed, another thing has been gained here. Likewise, consumer pattern will take place in this order, where within the given level of income, consumer have two issues of thinking. One is about utility, what he or she going to get. Next one, the pocket. In simple, in our terminology, we used to term as a budget. Within this budget, as well as within the utility, so he'll plan n number of bundles, and those bundles have been highlighted as here E, F, G, H, I and J. Then today's session will lead into the properties of budget line. There are 4 properties of budget line are there. So coming to the first one, here the point called E to J is called as AB line. AB stands here budget line. The first property is about budget line always flows from left to right downwards. Budget line is always flows from left to right downward sloping a straight line. The reason is very simple. Because of a limited income, when he has more of one, he has to sacrifice, he has to forgo the another. In such case, when he plot the points, then we'll get a downward sloping straight line. And we have 2 points over here. After the A and B, we have 2 more points, that is called C and D. C stands here underspent money. When he has a 20 rupee income, he don't want to get satisfied with only by spending 1 rupee or 2 rupee. So within that 20, he'll plan to get the more satisfaction. Then this is the C point which lies below the budget line. Then this is called underspent money. And another point is that is called D, which lies above the budget line. Then another line is called unattainable combination. So within the given level of income, so he cannot plan beyond his income capacity. For example, assume if I give to you, each one of you, 50 rupee to get something, then you have to plan, you have to expect, you have to predict each and everything where we can buy within rupees 50. You cannot buy the things beyond the 50 because your utility, your capacity, your perfect perception, preferences, everything targeted on the two issues. One is what is utility. The next one is about the capacity. The capacity stands here, the money what you have. Then that the budget which allows you not to think beyond what you have. Okay. In such case, C and D points are called as here. First one is underspent money, where consumer don't want to get satisfied by spending the least amount of a higher satisfaction. At the same time, you don't want to spend more money when it has a lies above the budget line. So coming to the first one, budget line always slopes from left to right downwards, sloping straight line. Okay. At the same time, here the budget line possesses n number of bundles, and those bundles are called as a budget set. And here the budget bundles are E, F, G, H, I and J. Each bundle represents different combination of two goods which can be purchased within the given level of income of a consumer as well as the prices prevailing in the market. Prices may vary, but at the same time a consumer has to get different combinations so that he can come to the particular combination. Then coming to the third one, the point is about underspent money which lies below the budget line, and next one is about above the budget line, and that is called unattainable combination. So after all these, we are ready to enter to the next topic of today's session, that is about shifts in budget line. When budget line slopes from left to right downwards, can we expect any kind of a shifts in budget line? That's the thing we're going to discuss in today's session. Shifts in new budget line or existing budget line. So generally budget line which always moves from left to right downwards. If this is a budget line, is there any shifts like upward shift, backward shift, downward shift, right shift, left shift, likewise? Can we expect any kind of a shift? Means then the shifts in budget line can be observed in two types of changes. So coming on to that, when income of a consumer changes, then we can expect any kind of changes in the budget line. At the same time, if price of a commodity changes, when price of a commodity changes, then we can expect some changes in the budget line. Now coming to the first one, when income of a consumer changes. Here the word changes stands either upward, either downward. Now coming to it, when this is an old budget line, then when income of a consumer changes, two types of changes we can expect. One, if an income of a consumer increases. Next one, when income of a consumer decreases. Are we clear? But when income changes, it is assumed as price of the commodity remains constant. At the same time, when we enter to the second point, when prices changes, then income of a consumer remains unchanged. In such case, when income of a consumer increase or decrease, two types of shifts we can observe in the existing budget line. So coming to the diagrammatical representation of first point, A point, when income of a consumer changes. Assume this is an old budget line where we have taken and on x and y axis, assume as on x and y axis we have taken apple and followed by banana. We can take any of the good, but for example purpose we have taken these two goods. So assume this is a budget line where we have taken A and B as a old budget line. My question is about when consumer income is rupees 20, then this is a different combination of these two goods. What if income of a consumer from 20 rupee it has been increased to 200 rupee or 500 rupee, then he preferred to buy more of apple or more of banana or more of both the good, means he may buy more of apple as well as a more of a banana. In such case, a budget line will take a shift, forward level like this. He may prefer B to B dash, then A to A dash. In such case, budget will take a shift from AB to A dash and B dash. Are we clear? So to the point, AB से लेको A dash और B dash को shift ले लेता. तो अगर कंज्यूमर का इनकम ज़्यादा हुआ, then meantime he prefer more of apple from this quantity to this quantity, and even of course even banana too he may increase from A to A dash. Are we clear? Then this is possible only if income changes. That is under increasing way. What if income of a consumer decreases? So in this pandemic issue, so everyone income getting downline at the majority. So assume this is an old budget line. Okay, this is an old budget line, and we have plotted here on x-axis apple and here on y-axis banana. So if income of a consumer has been increased from 200 to 500, then he may prefer more of both the good. What if income of a consumer decreases? So due to this pandemic issue, COVID-19, the prices remains constant, but income of a consumer has been downturn, like most of the people around our environment. Then he may prefer less of apple and even less of a banana good. And here we have taken an only example purpose as banana. Here the good, the quantity decreases even for banana, even for apple. Then it takes a downward shift. Here the budget line will shift from AB to A dash and B dash, but the thing is downward shift, and here upward shift. Are we clear? So income of a consumer, if increases, budget line will move forward. If income of a consumer decreases, budget line move downwards. Likewise, we can expect another type of a change, that is about when price of a commodity changes. Coming to the second point here, when prices of commodity changes. Okay, so what kind of shifts one can expect in the budget line? It's very simple. Coming to the second point, assume we have taken this in a diagram representation, and here as an apple, we can take an example same apple and banana. Okay, assume this is an old budget line A, B. Are we clear? But in the market, okay, prices will get changed. Here are the prices. Prices either it may increase or decrease. What if a price of a banana increases, then consumer don't want to buy the banana, he may buy more of a apple, because when the price of banana got increased, he may maintain the same quantity of this banana, but he may prefer more of apple. In such case, a budget line will take upward right shift. In such case, so here the budget line will shift from so AB to AB dash, like this. It means when the price of banana increases, consumer will not going to buy the banana. At the same prices, he may prefer more of apple. And the reverse situation also arises in the market when the price of commodity decreases. Are we clear? Let's come to the second point of price changes. Assume this is an old budget line called A and B. the same example called apple and banana. Same example we have taken. So in the market, prices of banana remains the same. Okay, but banana means price of apple and banana. In that apple were same, but banana got prices have been high. In such case, so consumer may prefer less of these. Then it takes a half leftward downwards or left downward shift. In such case, so budget line will shift from AB to A dash B. Are we clear? So the point is very simple. When the prices of here banana increases, people may prefer to buy more of apple. When the price of banana increases, then he may maintain the same apple, but he will decrease banana. So these are the four types of shifts one can observe when the income changes or price changes. Then I hope you people got understood. So by next session we will enter to the price line and price ratio. Thank you.